Looking for the best soundbar for you? Then you're in the right place. We've assembled a list of the top 5 soundbar that we've reviewed. We have reviewed many products and selected 5 products based on performance, unique features and many users. And if you can't find a soundbar that suits your needs exactly, keep this video for future updates. For their prices, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, here are our top recommended soundbar. Number 1 on the list is Yamaha Yaz 108 Soundbird. Excellent virtual surround sound for the price. The Yamaha Yaz 108 Soundbird boasts excellent sonic capabilities, especially when compared to other models in its price range. Because of this, it easily makes it the best soundbar under $500. Its capabilities are especially noticeable when viewing movies, largely because its audio performance is incredibly clear, as is its surround capability. In short, films sound as if they're being played back on a much larger sound system, which is the ultimate goal of a soundbar. Although, compare a soundbar versus a home theater, and you may find a difference in sound quality you didn't notice before. To that end, the Yaz 108 easily ranks as the best soundbar with built-in subwoofers, which provide thumping bass without needing to take up space with another box. This way, the Yaz 108 has that plug-and-play convenience for getting great sound with little setup. The inclusion of a quality built-in subwoofer sets the Yaz 108 apart from most other soundbars on the market today. We believe this is the best overall soundbar in 2022. If you like additional bass, then check out our guide to the best subwoofers. The Yaz 108 also offers a stellar Bluetooth connection capability that uses more advanced compression versus standard Bluetooth audio to provide clearer sound. More specifically, this audio compression smooths out the sound by reducing the peaks and improving lower sounds. Another interesting feature with this Yamaha unit is 4K connectivity, which allows you to connect your 4K Ultra HD TV to your soundbar without any loss in audio quality. One drawback for the Yamaha Yaz 108 is its lack of app support, even despite its compatibility with Alexa. But this is pretty significant for this Yamaha model, making it one of the best soundbar for the money options. If you prefer a traditional speaker, take a look at the best in-wall speakers instead. Another option is the Yamaha Yaz 209. The Yaz 209 is a smart soundbar with built-in Alexa voice-controlled DTS Virtual X Virtual 3D surround sound, a wireless subwoofer, and Bluetooth music streaming. Additionally, you can compare 2 more speakers from this brand, like the Yamaha HS7 versus HS8, to see which one works best for you. Second on the list is Vizio Sb 3820 C6 Soundbird. Simple, affordable with virtual surround sound. If you're looking for a super affordable basic soundbar, the Vizio Sb 3820 C6 has got you covered. Vizio decided to forego all the frills and fancy subwoofers to focus on making a truly great soundbar that anyone on a budget can afford. One of the most interesting aspects of this soundbar is that it works so well with any space and any TV, making it one of the more versatile soundbars on our list. You can place it on your TV stand or mount it directly to the wall. But does it beat out the top-rated floor-standing speakers? The Vizio soundbar features 2.0 premium audio that can deliver up to 100 decibels of sound, which is more than enough to fill your room with the sounds of your favorite TV shows, movies, and even music via Bluetooth connectivity. The virtual surround mode performs sufficiently and can create a fun and immersive space, especially with its powerful bass. We were pleasantly surprised at how deep the bass went on this soundbar, even without an external subwoofer to accompany it. That's another plus for those looking for a product with excellent bass, since you won't have to splurge on a separate wired subwoofer. This affordable soundbar will be able to transform the overall experience of your soundstage or home audio without making a massive dent in your wallet. Number 3 on the list is Sony Hts D5000 Soundbird. Highly versatile thanks to wireless connectivity. The Sony Hts D5000 is the most expensive unit on our list at nearly $1,300, but it is the only one on our list that offers the best Dolby Atmos experience. Atmos offers a more immersive experience than standard surround sound because of its three-dimensional approach to sound. With this soundbar, you get 7.1.2 channel surround sound. Moreover, it maintains 4K quality whenever it's connected to Ultra HD televisions, offering you superb signal pass-through with exceptional contrast, detail, and color. You also get a wireless subwoofer with this soundbar, so your audio experience is taken to a deeper level. With this multi-channel soundbar presenting its high-quality audio in an immersive audio format of surround channels and high channels, and also coming with a subwoofer, this impressive soundbar set is an excellent value for the price you pay. The Sony Hts D5000 is designed impeccably with multiple tweeters and mid-range speakers inside. The sound experience is truly revolutionary, which is why I can recommend this speaker despite its high price tag. Lastly, the ST5000 works with Spotify and has Chromecast built directly into its internal software, which allows you to stream music, listen to podcasts, or access online radio directly from smartphones or tablets connected to the Dolby Atmos soundbar. The convenience that the user experience gets through accessing internet radio from a phone and playing great sounds through this soundbar help the ST5000 stand out from the rest of the competition. Number 4 on the list is Sonos Playbar soundbar. Highly versatile thanks to wireless connectivity. The Sonos Playbar is an expensive unit at nearly $700, almost double the price of the Sonos Beam, but it is fully compatible with other Sonos products, allowing you to stream music from a variety of music sources, Spotify, Rhapsody, Pandora, etc. Moreover, this Sonos speaker connects to your home's Wi-Fi, allowing you to control its volume and features with your smartphone or tablet. And while it offers simulated surround sound, you can also wirelessly connect any of Sonos' other wireless speakers, such as the Play 3 or Play 1, to add complete 5.1 surround sound. And if that isn't enough, inside the Playbar are 9 Class D digital amplifiers, 9 amplified speaker drivers, 6 mid-range, and 3 tweeters. This means you'll get decent bass, provided you're not willing to invest in the company's awe-inspiring Sonos subwoofer, which I can recommend despite its high price tag. Lastly, the Playbar will work with most TVS' infrared receiver, allowing it to pass commands to the set despite blocking it. Number 5 on the list is Bluesound Pulse 2i soundbar. High-resolution audio playback and the ability to play MQA files. As the first soundbar to actually support playing MQA, master quality authenticated files and high-res playback, the Bluesound Pulse 2i is perfect for music and audio junkies alike. There's nothing on this list that sounds quite like the Pulse 2i, and once you hear it, you'll be thinking the same thing. The soundbar plays music so well due in part to the 2 pairs of 3-way speaker arrays it features, each consisting of a cone woofer, cone mid-range, and soft dome tweeter. You can also add a wireless sub for an extra cost, if you so choose. But the best part is that each driver has its own amp channel which blends high and low frequencies for the best sound you'll ever experience on a soundbar. Yes, the Pulse soundbar is expensive, one of the most expensive soundbars on our list, but the premium audio quality is absolutely worth it. In this $800 price tag, you'll also get AirPlay compatibility and support for Amazon Alexa. Getting to connect the soundbar to your home network will transform your space, give you more convenient control, and will be sure to impress your guests. This is cutting-edge audio technology, and your living room and home theater system will be all the better for it. Getting to watch all your shows and movies with stellar home audio and a surround effect will let you immerse yourself in all the sound effects and clear voices for an enhanced viewing experience. Just now is a list of 5 best soundbar that we would like to introduce to you. For more detailed information about these products, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, you will receive our latest videos. Thank you.